Ever find yourself wrestling with junk food cravings? We've all been there. The good news is, you don't have to entirely give up the taste you love. In this video, we'll share 7 healthy swaps for your favorite junk foods. Ready to dive in? First up, swap your bag of potato chips for crunchy kale chips. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins K, A, and C. Conquer your cravings by making your own kale chips. Just toss kale leaves in a touch of olive oil and sea salt, then bake until crispy. Check out the free downloadable Healthy Living Cookbook in the description of this video. Moving on to beverages. Trade your soda for sparkling water infused with cherry juice from Traverse Bay Farms or fresh fruit. You'll enjoy a refreshing taste without the impending sugar crash. Get creative. Try combinations like lemon and mint or raspberry and lime or cherry juice and ginger to discover your new favorite drink. Next, satisfy your sweet tooth with a healthier option. Trade candy bars for dark chocolate-covered cherries or mixed with nuts. You'll get the sweetness you crave, plus the benefits of antioxidants and healthy fats. Keep a stash of dark chocolate-covered cherries and nuts handy for when those cravings strike. Now let's talk about fast food. Substitute those burgers with grilled portobello mushrooms. They're savory, satisfying, and packed with nutrients without the excess calories. Grill or bake a portobello mushroom cap with your favorite seasonings. Serve it on a whole grain bun with fresh toppings, and voila, a healthier burger. Opt for frozen yogurt or banana ice cream over regular ice cream. You'll cut down on fat and sugar without compromising on taste. Blend frozen bananas until they reach an ice cream-like consistency. Add cocoa powder or peanut butter for an extra kick. Swap out deep-fried French fries for baked sweet potato fries. Sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamin A and fiber. Slice them into fries, toss with olive oil and your favorite spices, and bake until crispy. Lastly, trade your traditional pizza crust for a cauliflower crust. You'll cut down on carbs and sneak in a serving of vegetables. You can find pre-made cauliflower crust at many stores or make your own. Top with tomato sauce, veggies, and a sprinkle of cheese. These are just a few suggestions. Remember, the key is to find alternatives that you enjoy and can stick with. Implementing these swaps doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with one change a week. And remember, the goal is to discover sustainable, tasty alternatives. Make sure to check out the free downloadable Healthy Living Cookbook in the description of this video. Make this journey your own and savor the exploration. We look forward to hearing about your healthy swap experiences. Share your stories and inspire others in our community.